Viewers, subscribe my channel, press bell button. If you like this video, give likes, share it and give comments. 7th standard, term 3, second lesson, Civics, United Nations Organization. This is part 2. In the previous part, we have seen about the membership, flag, emblems, language, objectives of the UNO. Now we are going to see about the organs of UNO in the second part. What are the organs of the UNO? That is General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, International Court of Justice, the Trusteeship Council and Secretariat. These are the organs of the General Assembly. First we are going to see about General Assembly. That is, General Assembly is the main organ of the UNO. It is called as Parliament of Mankind. In the General Assembly, all the 192 members are the members in the General Assembly. Each member state, that is each country, can send 5 members to the General Assembly. The General Assembly meets once in a year and also it meets in every year in the month of September. The main functions of the General Assembly are: first one, to elect the President and 21 Vice Presidents. Second one, to approve the UN budget. Third one, with the recommendation of the Security Council, it appoints the Secretary General and judges of the International Court of Justice. This is the functions of the General Assembly. Security Council. This is the second important organ of the UNO. It acts as the executive branch of the UNO. The Security Council has 15 members, 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. The permanent members are Russia, France, USA, UK and China. The non-permanent members are elected by the General Assembly for the term for 2 years. The Security Council meets every month. The Council needs 2/3 majority to take decision. The permanent members have the veto power. Veto power, it means power to say no to a decision. So 5 permanent members can say no to any decision. If they say okay, then only that decision will be taking implement. Otherwise, it will be say no. It will be rejected. This is called as veto power. Main functions of the Security Council, that is, maintain international peace and security. First one, to maintain international peace and security, to create the peace and security among the nations. Second one, to find peaceful ways to settle disputes of member states, that is, to solve the disputes among the member states. Third one, to recommend the admission of new members. Fourth one, to participate in the election of the Secretary General. This is the functions of the Security Council. Economic and Social Council. Economic and Social Council coordinates the economic and social work of the UNO and its specialized agencies. It has 54 members elected by the General Assembly for the term of 3 years. Every 3 years, 1/3 of the members have to go out and new members are elected in their place. The International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice is also known as the World Court. It is the main judicial organ of the UNO. There are the 15 judges are elected by the General Assembly and the Security Council to the International Court. The International Court solves the disputes between the member nations. The court also gives advisory opinion to the United Nations and its specialized agencies. It is situated in the city of Hague in Holland. Next organ of the UNO is the Secretariat. The Secretariat carries out the administrative work of the United Nations as directed by the General Assembly, Security Council, and other organs. It is headed by the Secretary General. Now, present Secretary General is Antonio Guterres of Portugal. He belongs from Portugal. Antonio Guterres was the name of the Secretary General. He belonged from Portugal. He was elected in the election in 2017. Other specialized agencies are first one FAO, that is Food and Agricultural Organization. Second one ILO, that is International Labour Organization. Third one IMF, International Monetary Fund. Fourth one UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. Fifth one UNESCO, UN Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Sixth one WHO, World Health Organization. Seventh one WTO, World Trade Organization. These are the specialized agencies or works under the UNO. Major achievements of the UNO. In 1946, UNO made Russia withdraw its troops from Iran and Britain. Then France to withdraw their troops from Syria and Lebanon. Second achievement was 1947. UNO freed Indonesia from the Dutch. Third one, in 1956, UNO intervened and solved the Suez Canal crisis. Fourth one, in 1962 and 73, Cuban Missile Crisis and Middle East Crisis were solved by the UNO. Fifth one, with the help of UNO, in 1988, the Iran-Iraq war was ended. Sixth one, in 1989, Soviet troops were withdrawn from Afghanistan. Seventh one, in 1990, restored sovereignty to Kuwait and ended civil wars in Cambodia, El Salvador, Guatemala and Mozambique. These are the achievements done by UNO. That is major achievements done by UNO.